Let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now open up the glove box, and if you have anything in the glove box, just get it out because we'll get the glove box out completely. First off, grab that dampener arm and pull it out straight, and now push it in to get it out of the way. Now we need to get the glove box down, which is held in place by these two plastic blockers, one on each side. What we have to do is we have to push it in and then pull it out. Like, see, now it's out on one side. Let's repeat the process on the other one. See, this one's still in place. So pull it and it comes out, and the entire glove box just comes down. If you want, you can just get it off of the hinges completely. I'll show you how to put it back in detail. Now there's two clips over there on the cover, one here and there. Press one, pull the cover back. Yeah, it's out. And repeat the process for the other clip now. And that comes out as well. And that's the cover. And grab the cover, get it out. And that's the filter right over there. Just put one finger right over there in the bottom and then pull the filter out. It slides right out. Let's take a closer look at it. See, this is the clean side, the bottom side, and the top side is that's where all the dirt is trapped. So the way it works is all the dirt comes from the top, it gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the bottom goes inside the car. That way, when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays trapped in the top side. And there's even markings on the filter, shows you what the upside is. Let's get the new filter. I'm just going to put this filter back in for now, but you need to get a new replacement filter and put it back in the same orientation the way I'm showing, with the up arrow up position where it is. Now let's get the cover, and even the cover has an up orientation with the arrow marking it. Position it correctly, push it in place, and push those two clips back in place. Now when you put the glove box in, you have to make sure it's oriented properly for the hinges to go back on. Just pay attention to this and make sure you do this properly. Slow down over here if you have to. See how I position the glove box at that angle and then push it on. And once it's on, it should move smoothly like this. No noises, no creaking, no sticking out. Then let's just push it on and push it in place. That's good. Let's try this. See, it's moving in place. No squeaking, nothing's falling out, everything is good. Now let's get the dampener arm. Simply align it over there and then push it on to secure it. And that is pretty much it. See how easy the process was? Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.